and when it comes down, here's the way the spit tunes sound.